Hey everybody, I'm Rick Campanelli, and this is Home Gating with Franks and the NFL. We want to help you nail your next game day menu in what we're calling Frank's Fumble Recovery. Our recipes will fire up your NFL game day from early kickoffs to prime time with Frank's RedHot. You've been eating like a champion all day long, but what about that sweet fix? That freezer burnt popsicle you found at the back of the freezer just ain't gonna cut it. Oh yes, we're gonna make a Frank's RedHot ice cream, sweet and spicy. You don't need an ice cream maker. If you have a blender, you can make this recipe. Let's get down to this. First, you wanna mix everything together. So, we're gonna start with 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of Frank's RedHot Original, 1/3 cup of whole milk, 3 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of apple pie spice, and lastly, just a pinch of salt. We're gonna whisk all that together, and you can really smell those aromas of that vanilla extract, the Frank's RedHot, and that apple pie spice. Now, in your blender, we're gonna blend 2 cups of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Oh yeah, creamy goodness right there. Add our mixture from earlier to the blender, and we're gonna just combine. Oh, that looks and smells amazing. Oh yeah. We're gonna remove a 1/4 cup and place it in this measuring cup, and then we're gonna add some food coloring, whisk that together. We're gonna pour half of the remaining ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container. Let that set and even out, and then we're gonna drop small spoonfuls of this red mixture on top, but we're only gonna use half. Looking abstract and looking very modern. We're gonna run a knife through the mixture to create red swirls in this smooth, creamy, tasty ice cream. And we're basically gonna repeat with the remaining ice cream, and we're gonna swirl the top again. Now we wanna cover this with the lid of a freezer-safe container. If you don't have one of those lying around, you can always use plastic wrap. Freeze this for at least 6 hours or until firm. Your best bet is to do this one overnight. So what do you get? Check this out. It's an amazing, creamy, tangy, sweet, spicy ice cream. It tastes like nothing you've ever had before, either on its own or alongside your favorite treat. And today, I've added apple crumble. Now, I bet you didn't think you'd be craving a dessert made with hot sauce, am I right? That is so good. To get this recipe or other recipes just like this, visit franksredhot.com.